bring to you a new video today, and something you probably haven't tried it yet. It's called avocado burger. It should be good. Give it a try.
We have a stack of avocados here, by the way, which we brought in from the farm. And obviously, different avocado fruits will have different levels of ripeness. Now, one of the things that you really want to choose is something as an avocado is obviously find something that's ripe. And the easiest way to test that is you just kind of taste it whether it's soft in the hand, and in this case here it's super soft. And sometimes when you shake it, you'll hear like a rattling, then you know it's ripe. So we're going to prepare that. Obviously, you don't want something that is unripe because you're going to find it's going to taste astringent. It's just not good, and we just don't recommend it. All right, and I'll hand it back to Torino right now, and he'll prepare it. we are now here at the testing phase, so we can eat the product of the avocado burgers that we made. So my name is Patrick, and that is Torino, and your name is?
Effie.
Effie, go ahead.
Hi.
Okay, go ahead. Put it on.
Oh,
So what
we
else?
hold on a second. You forgot something. We need to get the get the mayonnaise and the kicker barbecue sauce. Right.
Oh.
Okay, maybe Patrick can help me. This. Okay, here you go.
Masih ada.
Get this. All right, let's do this. Let's get this. Here you go, Patrick. Oh, you got
Yes.
this. Let's get this. Put some of these. Yep. Look at that. There you go. Now for the barbecue sauce. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Effie,
Okay.
eat one.
I try. Oh. Yummy. Tasty. Okay. It's good.
So I'm gonna try to eat it as well and see how it tastes like. Kind of a mess, but oh well. It is delicious, and would you like to try one some yourself?
I'll get it later, but there it is. It's good.
Good.
So we thank you for watching our video, and we hope you try it and try yourself at home, and hopefully our recipes will help you on how to make your own avocado burgers at home. Okay, thank you, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.
Bye.
See ya.